Okay, so to start off with the wiring, this is underneath the MK7 ST180 Seats. We've just unplugged all the original connectors from the sort of loom socket thing. The only one that we're going to need to use is this one for the power to go into the MK6. And basically we're going to be getting rid of all the rest of the wiring. We don't need any of this, etc. It's just going to be going back to the heating element wiring that we're going to be putting with the, I'll put a link in the description for the heating element pads that I got from eBay that we're going to be splicing to these original wires. That's right, isn't it? We're splicing to the original wires, but then using this for the power source for that. Okay, so that's what's been removed, which you can sort of see the different colours there. And so on the wires that are exposed now is the positives and negatives from the back of the heated seat and the base of the heated seat. So after having these connectors on to splice to the wires, which I'll show you. I haven't used my phone because it's gone really dark now. But so this is the original kit that you're going to get off eBay, and they're the heating pads, which you do not need because obviously these seats have got the heating pads in. But all you're really using it for is the wires that come from the two pads. You're cutting them off. They're going to get then connected to the two heating pads, the positives and negative from each of those wires, to these basically, and then those ends will get connected to the switch. Is that right? Yeah, and that basically that'll just get connected to the switch that's inside the car to turn the heated seat on and off. So there we go. So that's the two wires that I've got in my hand there with the white plastic connectors on there from the eBay kit, and they've been spliced to the original wiring and the seats themselves. So on the inside, the original wiring loom, we've got a resistor that's in the belt tensioner. Now what I showed at the beginning of the video, this purple connector, that's the connector from the MK7 ST Seats, which has been spliced to the eBay wiring. And then all you're left with is, again, part of the eBay heated sort of seats, the wiring. These two connectors will end up connecting to the two that have just been spliced into the bottom of the new seats. So to try and show you while it's daylight, the connectors underneath. So what I was saying before was how you spliced the wires from the new kit into the original wiring for the heated sections at the back of the seat. You then have these two connectors, and basically that connects to from the new wiring loom to the original seats, which then clicks using the original socket from the MK7 seats has gone into the wiring loom in the MK6, and what you'll then have is the switch for the heated seat.